7 Best Colleges in Oregon. The location of a college might be as significant, if not more important, than the quality of the college itself. If you're considering going to college in the Pacific Northwest and want to attend a top-notch institution, Oregon is a great place to start your search. In this video, we have put together the 7 best colleges in Oregon to make your search easy. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. 7th in this list of best colleges in Oregon is the University of Portland. Though it seems like a public institution, the University of Portland is a private, Roman Catholic college that has been in existence since 1901. Due to its ability to provide a high-quality education at a low cost, the institution has earned recognition as one of the finest value universities in the country. According to Kiplinger's Personal Finance Yearly Ranking, it is the best Oregon school, and according to Bloomberg Businessweek, is the best school in Oregon for return on investment. There are more than 40 majors and 30 minors at the undergraduate level, with a 12-to-1 student-to-faculty ratio and acceptance rate of 77%. The Portland Pilots compete in NCAA Division I athletics and, according to the university, was a top producer of Fulbright students for the 2015 to 2016 school year. Reed College is the 6th best college in Oregon. With an acceptance rate of 42%, Portland, Oregon's Reed College is another prominent private liberal arts college. It is located in the Eastmoreland neighborhood along the banks of Reed Lake and is one of the most distinguished colleges in the country. The school is surrounded by a nature park in the center. Students benefit from smaller courses because they receive the attention they require in their academics. The school embraces inclusivity and diversity as part of its commitment to pursuing intellect. Willamette University is the 5th best college in Oregon. With an acceptance rate of 80%, Willamette University, located in Salem, the state capital of Oregon, is the oldest university in the western United States and has the oldest law school in the Pacific Northwest, both of which are over 100 years old. It was one of the first coeducational colleges in the United States, with the first female graduate graduating from the institution. On the Willamette University campus, there are approximately 50 different academic programs to choose from and a variety of student groups to get involved with. And, for individuals interested in studying abroad at some time throughout their academic career, Willamette University offers an excellent study abroad program that includes sister university links and programs all over the world. The 4th college in this video is George Fox University. George Fox University is a private Christian institution that was created by the Quakers at the end of the 19th century in the Pacific Northwest. This is one of the top Christian institutions in the United States, offering 7 seminary degree programs in addition to a wide range of undergraduate and graduate degree possibilities. Although there are numerous degrees to choose from, George Fox University is particularly well known for its scientific and health professional programs. There are 4 campuses with a total enrollment of 4,000 students, each of which provides high-quality academic experiences intertwined with spiritual experiences. One of the 11 universities that participate in the Richter Scholar Program, which provides students with research scholarships. This college has an acceptance rate of 91%. Number 3 on the list is Pacific University, located in Forest Grove, Oregon. It is a private university with a student population of approximately 4,000, which contrasts with the large student populations of state schools. This college is 3rd on the list of best colleges in Oregon. This is a tiny liberal arts college with a diverse student body that welcomes students from all walks of life. The school has outstanding academic programs that are nationally recognized. 1 out of every 4 students at the school is the first member of their family to graduate from college. Students can mix their academic experiences with research, community service, and other life experiences. Pacific University is widely regarded as the premier private research university in the Pacific Northwest, garnering the moniker the best in the West for its achievements. The school also takes great pride in its environmental sustainability, making it an excellent choice for anyone concerned about the environment and their academic career. This college has an acceptance rate of 89%. The second on this list of best colleges in Oregon is Oregon State University. Oregon State University is the largest university in the state, with more than 33,000 students enrolled in its programs. In addition to having the world's second-best forestry department and the world's third-best oceanography program, Oregon State University also boasts one of the world's top robotics engineering programs, among other notable accomplishments. Oregon State University has received numerous accolades not only for its academic offerings but for its student benefits, including being named the second friendliest college town in the country and being particularly bike-friendly on campus. Although Oregon State University maintains campuses in Bend and Corvallis and branches in other towns, the university offers one of the most outstanding online programs in the country. As a result, you can attend Oregon State without physically attending the university. Their acceptance rate is 82%. The number one best college in this list of best colleges in Oregon is the University of Oregon. It dates back to the 1800s. It is now a Tier 1 National Public Research University and a member of the Association of American Universities, a distinction only 62 schools in the U.S. and Canada enjoy. The University of Oregon's research achievements and skills in law, business, and college of education has made it the state's number one public university. Studying hard at the University of Oregon can be rewarded with outdoor excursions in the Willamette Valley. It has almost 20,000 students and a Division I sports team. The University of Oregon frequently produces successful graduates and noteworthy faculty. We hope you found this video helpful. Would you love to school in any of these colleges? What do you find most interesting? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.